Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
What up guys, it's your boy Tips back again here for another video. On today's episode, we'll be working on the 7 Series. Now don't get me wrong, my 7 Series is not broken, but this all started when I decided to start working on my drifting skills. So everything was going well, I was doing great in the 5 Series. And I was giving them the smoke in the 6 Series. Then I was left with some real disappointments from the 7 Series. It seems like the back plate on my wheel has fallen off. So I took the car into the shop to make sure that's all it was. So the screws that were holding the back plate eroded through the back plate, causing it to fall off. So we decided to put some bigger washers on it and then called it a day. But the day wasn't done yet. So the car's going right now. Well, I'm not moving right now, but let's see if we pick it up. Under 50 doesn't make that much noise, but once you get over 50, it starts making the noise. So we're gonna check it out. 40, 50. So I went back to the shop. Just to show you guys I'm not hiding anything, but don't worry, I got something coming for you guys, especially those Audi guys who be working late nights on their cars.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my thing. This is my worker.
My worker.
Wheel. Then the rotors. Let the girl. Alright ladies, don't worry, shaft's still good. Look how close I was fucking up the shaft. No hole should look like that. So what was causing my noise from earlier in the video was my wheel hub. So if you hear a grinding noise coming from your front wheels or your back wheels, it's most likely this, not your brakes rubbing against something. German engineering from BMW, lasts forever. Quick little inspection of all my other components. Look at all the work I did so far. Okay. Alright, that is new. I didn't feel the need to put it in the video, but I did both sides when I did this. You don't need to, but I just felt like might as well. So there you go guys, this is where I am in the 7 Series. Yeah, she's not ready right now to hit the streets and give these guys the bee's knees, but she will be soon. But in the meanwhile, I'll pull out the 6 crown.
Gucci flip-flops, fuck it, hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off of the clock. Pull the 6 out.
So if you guys want to find out how our night went, make sure you stay tuned for the next episode of I Earned It Tips.
Corner.